I think it's a must. Let's go! This is the first time I'm riding the VARG heading to downtown LA. Dude, and you know, I grew up here in LA, so like, this is where I used to come all the time, you know, and just skate with all the homies. Now I don't live in LA, so, you know, this is a cool little change, man. My first time being in LA in like, I'm gonna say, dude, a year, you know? Actually like downtown LA. So I'm freaking ready. Let's see if anybody's celebrating, you know, the first win of the World Cup by Mexico. And let's just try to stay safe. Let's go! I hope the cops here are chill. Let's go! We're in downtown, baby! This is the 110 freeway. Yo, dude! So sick! Alright, now let's go to the Crypto Center, also known as Staples Center. Dude, just check out the fucking bike too. Freaking sick. Dude, look at the decals. They got the supermoto freaking wheels on. Let's go. Dude, there's so many Mexico fans. Look at all that over there. And then over here is the crypto arena. It's just so cool seeing downtown LA. I can't believe we're here. Let's go, let's go. Oh, dude, so sick on the freaking VARG in downtown LA, dude. Dude, I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, man. Let's try to hit up Skid Row. Let's go! I'm gonna try to hit Skid Row up here. Up here, I mean, okay, LA's a vibe, man. This is like where they have all the stores and everything right here. They sell like in the alleyways, you know. Let's go. Get out of here. I know there's a block down here somewhere where they installed nothing but like stereos, window tint, and all that stuff. And one cool thing right here, I think this is like the first Coca-Cola warehouse in LA. I don't know. I'm trying to find that little alleyway. Yeah, it's right here. Let's see. I guarantee you there's gonna be a bunch of people coming up to me like, hey, you want something installed? Watch. This whole block is literally like they just install nothing but stereo systems. Yo! Dude, I forgot where Skid Row is at though. That's where I wanted to go check out. And Yeah, and right here, if you want anything for like your parties, yo, they have this right here too. So if you want to get some of that, you know, I believe that's Central. Dude, everybody's repping freaking Mexico over here. Just keep going that way. I'm heading down to Little Tokyo right now. I was trying to find Skid Row, but I completely forgot. And fun fact, right here is where they filmed Fast and Furious. The first one, where they had the car meet up. Yo, it was right here. I'll actually stop by the Fast and Furious home too. It's up there, like kind of in the hills. But dude, I've been loving riding this freaking VARG. Dude, riding a bike is so sick. You just like weave in through traffic. Yo, straight up game changer for me. It's my first time ever riding like this, and I just got my permit, carrying it right here in my bag. So, but dude, look at all this. Just like, it's kind of sad, man. A bunch of homeless people. It's kind of hot. You know, all they got is tents. You know, I wish I knew how to, you know, fix the homeless problem. It kind of sucks. I don't have like that kind of money, you know? Oh, let me pass by. I believe there's like a sick skating spot where Ronnie Mullen, on the first Tony Hawk, I believe, or the second one, he was riding the ledge. He would do like all the manuals on, and then like his gazelle underflip or whatever it was called. I believe it's this way. Yo, before I forget too, oh, it's that way. The Jackass one, where they were going down the shopping cart, right here is the famous Rodney Mullen spot, dude. Yo. So yeah, it's through here where they went down like the shopping cart. Right here. This is where they came down. But I'm gonna wheelie up, dude. Let's try it. Let's go. I believe, oh yeah, that's the, is that 7th Street Bridge? Yeah, that's it. And then this is the LA River. Oh, dude, I'm so pumped being over here riding the freaking VARG, man. Seriously, if you guys are thinking about getting an e-bike, e-moto, dude, go buy that shit, man. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. This is like where a bunch of people take photos, like photo shoots, video shoots, because it shows all of LA in the back. I don't know, I might be in the wrong side. I don't know if it's that way or this way, but you know, let's check it out, man. I'm just so stoked to be here riding. Look, this is where you can just see all of LA. I might do my thumbnail here. Dude, this is so sick right here, man. Yeah, right here they would take a bunch of pictures. Oh, is this the bridge? Oh, this is the bridge. I think I'm supposed to turn. I could probably turn up ahead. I don't know. It looks so different now. Oh, dude, this is where I used to practice too. It's like a lockout studio for bands. Yeah, we're gonna go up the bridge just to check it out because I've never been on it. So today's the perfect time. All right, we're about to pull up, dude. The famous, I believe, I don't know if it's a 7th Street Bridge or 6th Street Bridge, which I think is the 7th. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But look at this view. So dope, man. Dude, what a vibe, man. What a freaking vibe. Dude, and right here you catch all the freaking breeze, dude. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go check out one more spot. Again, passing through it. I haven't been here, so it's pretty sick. I did hear that there was lights on this, but people were stealing the copper wires, which is crazy, dude. Dude, but yeah, just freaking LA is just beautiful, man. And today's like the perfect day. It's nice and sunny. Literally sunny Cali in LA. Beautiful, man. We gotta do the wheelie. We gotta. Let's go! You know, I'm still not the greatest. I've been practicing, so yo, cut me some slack, dude. Little Tokyo, here we come. Dude, seriously, like, when I come to downtown LA, I've been catching all the lights, bro. Oh my God. This is Little Tokyo right here. This is where a lot of tourists come check it out. There's like, it's like kind of like an alley right there where everybody goes in. There's a bunch of restaurants, you know, stuff to buy, you know, Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, all that stuff this way. So it's pretty cool. Dude, the cool part is that I'm street legal, dude. Let's go. That's what gets me so hyped, man. Guarantee if a cop sees me, they're gonna be like, oh dude, let's pull him over. And then pull me over, I'm like, bang, here's the paperwork, dude. Oh dude, and the tunnel's right there. Hell yeah, dude. Yo, I think I played a show right here. Oh, I did. I played a show right there. Yeah, I wonder what they're building right there. Dude, we gotta put the fucking wheelie in the tunnel. I think it's a must. I think it's a must, dude. I think it's a must. Let's go! Yeah! So sick. Let's go, man. Dude, how do they tag up all this stuff right there? Like, what? Alright. Let's start heading back before I get in trouble. Yeah, what the freak? Shit looks like a burnout. Yo! Should we go this way? Let's go up this way. Oh damn, you can't go this way. You can't go this way. Yo, we got it. Look at this. Like, when do you see this all the time? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is in the city, dude. In the middle of the city. Like, hello? Like, hello? Yo! Always fun. I need to go back a little bit more, though. I feel like I'm kind of doing a power whip. But, you know, I just started practicing, so. Practice makes perfect. So remember that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go! Yo, that was a sick ass ride. Thank you guys for watching. We rode all of LA with the Stark VARG EX. You know, we're at 62%. Yo, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out!